All right, I was saying ultimately the handrail is pretty much done. The only thing I haven't done yet is grabbing the top edge of the initial panel so that I can get the top rail. So I'm going to do that real fast. I'm just going to do a list item off of, these are my curves. So I'll plug this in over here and grab one of these to override that. So now I'm grabbing an edge, which this one looks like it's the bottom. Let's check 2. Did I grab the wrong edge thing? Oh, my bad. I plugged this into the wrong thing. Ah, there we go. Okay, so that's 0, 1, 2. Should be the top. Boom. All right, so that's the top. I'm going to drop a pipe on it with a radius, something like this. Okay, there we go. So you guys have seen the bake process before. So basically, like once you create something like this, you could have 5 handrails or you could have 1,000 handrails in your project. But now you've got handrails that are super detailed, right? You've got all the hardware that's necessary to illustrate that amount of detail, which is tremendous. So all you have to do at that point is just figure out which geometry you want to keep. So it's going to be these pipes, and I'm going to get messy here. It's going to be those volumes, and it's going to be this glass surface. So I'm going to grab another param and just kind of use this as my taking it over here thing. And then we have the original rail. So all of these things are the items that we're going to bake out into Rhino when we start to do renderings and stuff like that. So it's really just a quick process. We're going to bake it, put one of them on layer 1, bake this one, put that on layer 2, bake this one, put that on layer 3, bake this, and we're going to put that on layer 4, and we're actually going to bake this one and put that on layer 4 as well. Boom. So now all of this is hidden, and you've got a rather detailed Rhino model. That's how quick that process is. So I just wanted to show you that really quick so that you don't think that you're far away from being done once you get a very simple definition done. So, I mean, you could develop this any number of ways. It could be as complex or as simplistic as you need it to, but now you can go in and select one rail, one edge on any balcony or ledge or step or anything, and it will create this on that surface for you. Okay? Questions about that? I just wanted to prove a point, that's all.